Online induction portal. A portal is a web address that's an entry to all your site inductions. Your inductees can visit your induction portal to get self-registered and then inducted. It is a unique URL or web address that can be shared with your inductees. Many companies are now embedding this link onto their own websites. An example URL may look something like this. Let's take a look at a sample portal as if we were inductees. So all new users must register. Once registered, they'll be taken to a page with all of the available inductions and company policies. Now let's look at how to set up a portal. So just click on Site Inductions here and scroll down. Then click on the Enable button to activate your portal. Once activated, which may take a couple of seconds, you'll notice your URL and authorization key right below it. This key is a password that your inductees need to know before getting access to their inductions. The key can be deactivated. Now let's take a look at some of the portal settings. Click on the Action button here, then we can see a number of options. You can edit the address, edit contact details, show advanced settings, we'll come back to that in a second, change the authorization key, remove the authorization key, disable sign in and out, we'll cover this function in our next help page, and finally disable portal. Now let's go back to the advanced settings. We have a few more features that are hidden here. So the first is Request Company Name. If you need to collect company names from your inductees, keep this on. Second is Show Legal Agreement. This agreement can be shown to all your inductees before they start their induction. Click on View Sample to preview it. Third is Show Policies. When this function is on, all your company policies are displayed in your portal. Fourth is Used on Shared Devices. This feature is particularly valuable when you use the same device, such as an iPad, to induct different users. When it's set to On, the system automatically logs out users as soon as they complete their induction, ready for the next user to begin. The fifth and final option is Send Copy of Instructions to Inductee. This sends out an instruction recorded in the Edit Special Instruction area to your users. Finally, we have the Site Color and Upload Background Image options, which are self-explanatory. On the next help page, we're going to talk about the Sign In and Out functionality. Thanks for watching and happy inducting!